What if, in the next 90 days, your entire life could change forever? What if you could unlock the door to a future you never thought possible? This is your moment. Are you ready? What if you could realistically become a millionaire, achieving a level of financial freedom you've only dreamed of? What if you could achieve this in the next 90 days, a mere 3 months? And what if this transformation wasn't based on some stroke of luck, but solely on your own dedicated effort and strategic action? Forget your soul-crushing job, the one that drains your energy and leaves you feeling unfulfilled. Forget the endless cycle of bills, the constant worry about making ends meet, the financial stress that keeps you up at night. And most importantly, forget what others say is possible for you, their limiting beliefs and doubts that they project onto your potential. Picture the ultimate freedom, the ability to design your life on your own terms. Picture the power that comes with financial independence, the ability to make choices without being constrained by money. Imagine the profound satisfaction of being able to provide for your family, giving them the security and opportunities they deserve. And imagine the luxury of living exactly where you want in the home of your dreams without compromise. Most people will dismiss this vision as a mere fantasy, an unattainable dream reserved for the lucky few. But that's simply a reflection of their own small thinking, their limited belief in what's possible. I know with absolute certainty that it's possible. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, because I'm living proof that it can be done. I've walked this path myself. I didn't inherit a fortune from rich relatives, there was no silver spoon. I didn't have a fancy degree from some prestigious university, no special advantages. What I did have was relentless drive, an unwavering commitment to achieving my goals, and a refusal to give up. This isn't about relying on luck or chance hoping to win the lottery. It's about following a proven formula, a strategic approach that consistently delivers results. It's about implementing a proven step-by-step plan, a clear roadmap to success that anyone can follow. But it demands massive, uncomfortable action, pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone and taking risks. It's about fundamentally changing how you think about money, success, and your own potential. It's about putting in the work, the consistent effort required to build something extraordinary. And it's about changing how you see the world, adopting a new perspective that empowers you to achieve your dreams. You have to be willing to step outside the norm, to embrace the unconventional. You have to be willing to do what others won't, to go the extra mile and make sacrifices. Only then will you get results that others simply can't achieve, the kind of success that sets you apart. The next 90 days will pass regardless of what you do. Time marches on relentlessly. No matter what choices you make, the clock will keep ticking. The days will keep passing. The question is, where will you be at the end of those 90 days? Will you be stuck in the same place, trapped in the same routine, living the same unfulfilling life? Or will you be virtually unrecognizable, a completely transformed version of yourself? Will you have undergone a complete metamorphosis, emerging as a stronger, more successful, and more fulfilled individual? The choice starts right now, this very instant. It begins with a single decision, a pivotal moment that will change the course of your life. Stop spectating from the sidelines, stop watching others achieve their dreams while you remain stagnant. And start playing to win, get in the game, and commit to achieving your own extraordinary success. This isn't some unrealistic get-rich-quick scheme that promises instant wealth with no effort. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan, a proven method that delivers consistent results when implemented correctly, but only if you fully commit to the process, dedicating yourself to the necessary action and unwavering focus. Are you truly ready to trade your excuses for relentless execution, to stop making justifications and start taking action? Are you ready to be called crazy by those who don't understand your ambition? Ready to be judged by those who settle for average, who are content with mediocrity? This journey isn't for the faint of heart. It requires courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. It's for the obsessed, the ones who are consumed by their goals and refuse to let anything stand in their way. It's for the hungry, the ones who crave success with every fiber of their being. It's for the ones who are sick and tired of being stuck, who are desperate to break free from their limitations. If that description resonates with you, if you feel that fire burning inside, then keep watching, because this is for you. I'm going to lay out the exact blueprint, the precise steps you need to take. There will be no fluff, no empty promises, no motivational jargon, just the raw, unfiltered steps that I personally took to achieve this transformation. The exact steps I took to go from being completely broke to becoming a self-made millionaire. And I'm going to show you how to do it in just 90 days. Buckle up, because things are about to get intense. Your life is about to undergo a dramatic transformation, a complete and utter change. The only question that remains is this: will you actually take action on this information, or will you let it pass you by? 90 days to completely change your life. $1 million within your reach. It all starts right now with this very moment. So, are you in? Are you ready to commit to this journey? Then let's go, let's get started right now. This is your defining moment, your opportunity to seize control of your destiny and create the life you've always dreamed of. Let me take you back to a time that feels like a lifetime ago. A time before everything clicked, before the path became clear. I was 25, utterly lost, adrift in a sea of uncertainty with no land in sight. I had no real direction, no compass guiding me. I was working a job I absolutely hated, selling cars. Day in and day out, the same monotonous routine, pushing products I didn't believe in. Surrounded by small goals, petty rivalries, and even smaller ambitions. A place where dreams went to die a slow, agonizing death. I was drowning in mediocrity, suffocating under the weight of unmet potential and unfulfilled desires. I developed a drug problem, a dark cloud that consumed me. It nearly destroyed me, pushing me to the brink of oblivion. I was spiraling out of control, losing everything that mattered. My turning point? What pulled me back from the edge? A cold, hard look in the mirror, a moment of brutal honesty with myself. It was rock bottom, the absolute lowest I could go. A counselor during one of our sessions told me to avoid obsession, to find balance and moderation in all things. But I realized obsession wasn't the problem at all, it was a matter of focus. What I was obsessed with was the problem. My priorities were completely out of whack, so I decided to get addicted, to transfer that obsessive energy to my own success, to building a life I could be proud of. I channeled every ounce of that energy, that addictive personality, into my career, pushing myself harder than ever before. I became obsessed with my finances, learning how to manage money and build wealth, and unlocking my potential, pushing myself to grow and evolve in every way possible. I checked out of rehab, a changed man, and went back to the same job, the same environment that had once felt so suffocating. But I was a new person, reborn, revitalized, and ready to conquer the world. I was on a mission, a quest to prove to myself what I was truly capable of. That rock-bottom moment, that dark night of the soul, became my greatest strength, the foundation upon which I built my new life. Most people fear obsession. They see it as a negative trait, something to be avoided at all costs. They're told to seek balance, to find equilibrium in all aspects of their lives. But balance is a myth, a comforting lie we tell ourselves to justify our lack of ambition. It's a myth, at least, for those who want extraordinary results, for those who dare to dream big and chase their goals with unwavering passion. You don't get to 1 million, you don't achieve true greatness in 90 days with balance. It's simply not possible. You get there with obsession, with a relentless focus on your goals. You have to want it. You have to crave it, more than anything else in the world. It has to be your ultimate priority. My lowest point, my darkest hour, gave me the hunger I needed, the burning desire to climb out of the abyss and create a better future for myself. Obsession is your fuel, the rocket fuel that will propel you to unimaginable heights. Use it, harness it, don't be afraid of it. That's how everything changed for me, that's how I turned my life around. It can change everything for you too. Embrace the power of obsession and watch your life transform before your very eyes. Before you make 1 million, before you even begin to chase that dream, you must become the person who can. You need to transform yourself into someone capable of handling that level of success, someone who embodies the qualities of a millionaire. It starts in your head. The seed of success is planted in your mind. Mindset is everything. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your empire. Most people fail because they set tiny goals and think small. They limit themselves before they even begin. They accept mediocrity as the norm. The first thing I did, adopt the 10x rule, a principle that will revolutionize your approach to everything. Multiply your goal by 10, amplify your ambition, and shatter your perceived limitations. Then multiply your actions by 10, increase your effort exponentially to match your amplified goals. Don't aim for an extra 1,000, that's small thinking. Aim for 10,000. Think bigger, bolder, and more expansively. Don't aim for 100,000 a year, that's settling for average. Aim for 1 million. Set your sights on true financial freedom. Big goals force you to operate on a new level, demanding more from you than you ever thought possible. And Invent better strategies. Necessity is the mother of invention, and ambitious goals breed innovative solutions. You can't hit $1 million target with $1,000 work ethic. It simply won't cut it. Take 10 times the action you think is necessary, overestimate what it will take, and then exceed that. If you think you need 10 calls, make 100. Flood the market with your efforts. Dominate with activity. Become unavoidable. Make your presence known. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's more than just wishful thinking. It's about reprogramming your reality. It's about changing your fundamental beliefs about what's possible. See yourself as a major player, a force to be reckoned with, not a bystander. Don't just watch success happen, make it happen. Believe you deserve massive success, and can create it. You have the power within you to manifest your dreams. This mindset is your armor against doubt and negativity. It will protect you from the naysayers and the obstacles that will inevitably arise. Commit to the 10x rule. Make it a non-negotiable part of your life. Write your $1 million goal down. Make it tangible, make it real. Multiply your planned actions by 10. Supercharge your strategy and prepare for explosive growth. This is your new operating system. A complete overhaul of your approach to success. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The first 30 days are about one thing: finding your $1 million vehicle and getting obsessed with it. A vehicle is the product or service you'll use to generate revenue. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Find a viable one you can execute fast. Look at your skills and what the market already pays for. For me, it was sales. I decided to master every aspect of it. Obsession is mandatory. Immerse yourself in your industry, product, and customer. Know your competitors, the gaps, and the customers with the most money and biggest problems. This is active, aggressive learning. No distractions. Figure out your unit economics. What can you sell, at what price, and how many do you need to hit $1 million? Don't fear high-ticket offers. Identify your vehicle, master it, and understand the math. This is your foundation. Once you have your vehicle, package it into an irresistible offer. Don't be the cheapest, be the most valuable. Your offer must solve a major pain point and promise transformation. Stack the value so high the price feels insignificant. Remove risk for the buyer. Add bonuses, guarantees, exclusive access. Make your offer crystal clear: who you help, what you do, and the result you deliver. Believe in your offer more than anyone else. Your conviction is contagious. When you know you're the best, you sell with confidence. It's not begging, it's serving. Craft an unbreakable offer and own it. That's your weapon in the marketplace. The next 30 days are about massive action. This is where the war is won. Your goal: total market saturation. Everyone in your target market should know you and your offer. Be everywhere: calls, emails, social media, in-person visits. Make so much noise you're impossible to ignore. You'll face rejection and make mistakes. Volume cures all. My strategy: contact everyone, follow up relentlessly, work harder than anyone else. Outwork your competition by a factor of 10. Become a master of promotion use every channel. Share testimonials, go live, run ads, create touch points everywhere. Don't worry about annoying people, the right customers will thank you. This phase is a grind. You'll get tired, but your 10x goal fuels you. Every action is a brick in your new life's foundation. Track your activity and know your numbers. How many calls lead to conversations? How many conversations to sales? Focus on increasing activity at the top of the funnel. Drown the market. Relentless action wins. This is how you break through. Here's the secret to closing deals and making millions: the follow-up. Most sales happen after the 5th contact, but most people give up after 1 or 2. That's leaving money on the table. My follow-up system was relentless and creative. Calls, texts, emails, video messages, social media. The goals stay top of mind, always adding value. Build a follow-up system. Don't leave it to chance. Use a CRM or notebook to track every prospect and schedule your next contact. Always have a reason to follow up. Share new info, testimonials, or ideas. No doesn't mean never, it means not right now. Be there when their priorities change. I've closed deals after 20 rejections. Persistence pays. This is a game of attrition. The one who stays in the game longest wins. Master the art of follow-up. That's how you dominate. The final 30 days are about leverage and scaling. You've proven your model and offer. Now multiply your efforts without multiplying your hours. Identify repetitive tasks and automate or delegate them. Protect your time for high-value activities. Look for leverage everywhere. Hire help, invest in better tools. Reinvest profits into marketing, technology, and key hires. Don't cash out. Double down and feed the machine. Document your processes and create a playbook for others to follow. This is how you build a business that runs without you. Shift from high performer to business owner and empire builder. 1,000,000 in 90 days is just the beginning. Think bigger. How do you turn this sprint into a multi-million-dollar enterprise? Scale up and repeat. You have the blueprint, the mindset, the vehicle, the offer, the action, the follow-up, the scaling. I went from rock bottom to millionaire in 90 days. If I can do it, so can you. The only thing standing in your way is you. Information is worthless without action. The time for learning is over. The time for doing is now. The clock is ticking on your 90 days. Here's your first step. Write today's date, then the date 90 days from now, and next to it, $1 million. That's your contract with yourself. Write down 5 actions you'll take in the next 24 hours. Don't overthink, just act. Your future is built by your hands, your voice, your hustle. The life you want is on the other side of hard work. Will this be just another thing you read, or the day your life changed? The plan is here. Your 90 days start now. Go get it.